जय हिंद दोस्तों, आप में अपने दोस्त आरजे ज़ीशान के साथ ढेर सारी बातें आपसे हमेशा चलते रहती है। एमआईटी के बारे में मेरठ इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी के फैकल्टीज से स्टूडेंट से आपको मिलवाते हैं, ढेर सारी बातें करते हैं और बताते हैं कि आज के वक्त में एक स्टूडेंट के लिए कौन से करियर ऑप्शंस बेटर हैं जो एमआईटी आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहा है। और आज हमारे साथ प्रोफेसर हिमानी मिश्रा जी हैं, एचओडी हैं बीबीए डिपार्टमेंट की। उनसे हम ढेर सारी बातें करने वाले हैं, जानने वाले हैं कि क्यों एक बच्चा एमआईटी को चूज़ करे और जब वो 12th कर लेता है तो उसके पास कौन कौन से बेटर करियर ऑप्शंस हैं जो यहाँ पर अवेलेबल हैं। मैम, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे साथ।
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
जी, तो पहला सवाल मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कि एक बच्चा जब 12th कर लेता है तो वो बड़ा कन्फ्यूज़न में रहता है कि कौन से करियर ऑप्शंस चूज़ करे, कहाँ जाए, कौन सा कॉलेज बेस्ट है, कौन सी डिग्री बेस्ट है। तो ये मैं चाहूँगा आज आप हमें बताएं कि 12th के बाद क्या बेस्ट है एक बच्चे के लिए।
दैट्स अ वेरी बेसिक एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन सर, because after 12th lots of students are in a dilemma, what should I do, whether I come from the stream science, arts or commerce. So they are deciding ki what should be better future goal for me. Now in that dilemma they are confused, they are puzzled which college, which courses they have to choose. So at that time the guidance of teachers, the guidance of parents are not then enough. So they need to understand that ki what is a trend in a market, what industry is expecting from the students, what skills they want from the students, so they can bridge the gap from academy to the industry. On that point I especially discuss student with the management field. That is a multi-dimensional field. It is not related to the commerce student, it is not related to the any kind of field. Any student which have the passion for management, they need to do the management. So they can consider a management aspect is a first choice for the student after 12th. That's the program called bachelor program, that is BBA. That is all over the world available program. That is the best choice because it's a multi-dimensional. You will get the technical aspect, you will get the management aspect, and you will also get hand-on experience as well. So it is a multi-dimensional area that student get lots of opportunities. Instead of other technical aspect, that is only for go for technical. We are a combination of technical as well as management, right? So that is the best option. The bachelor degree goes for BBA. That is a good option for the student after 12th.
बिल्कुल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू कि व्हाई एमआईटी, कि एक बच्चा अगर चूज करे कि इतने सारे करियर ऑप्शंस हैं तो एमआईटी में ही क्यों आए?
Right. That's I already told you. Student get puzzled which course and which college I have to choose. So when I talk about MIT, especially a management department in MIT, the management department of MIT is offering a different kind of curriculum to the student, and that gives the exposure of different aspect. Let me tell you, they start with the concept of giving a curriculum beyond the textbooks. Beyond the textbooks means they are providing us skills regarding data analytics, digital marketing, entrepreneurship, as well as AI. That is more trending in the market. And industry is also expecting that ki student learn beyond the curriculum. That's the main skills that demanded by the industry, and the student is also focusing towards this trending skills. That's the first parameter. Second parameter for MIT management department is focusing on employability. Employability is big issue, and students are thinking that ki whatever the college, pata nahi placement hoga ya nahi hoga. But in MIT we focus on employability. How? Focus of employability is based on the hands-on experience given to the student. For example, we provide the stage to stage improvement in the student. How? First student came to the college, they will get the grooming of PDP and communication. In the second stage, we offer them an apti and reasoning classes that increase their logical and apti skills. That is the basic part of employability, because the basic test. And the college is also giving a test like CoCubes. That is the basic test that enhance the communication, apti, reasoning skills among the students.
Definitely.
In third stage, we are providing a resume building. Resume building because students doesn't know how to make a CV and resume. They don't know ki what they have to put in the series wise in their CV and resume. So that is the main important aspect. That's why we are focusing on employability. Employability give the student a motivation to get the something new in the market. So these are the stage by stage opportunities that MIT, especially a management department in MIT, providing to the students so they can become a capable and focus on employability more.
और जैसे कि आपने एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की भी बात करी
जी,
कि
जी।
हम बच्चों को एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के लिए तैयार करते हैं, उन्हें रेडी करते हैं आने
Right.
वाले कल के लिए, ताकि उनका फ्यूचर ब्राइट हो पाए।
Right.
तो उसमें हम किस तरीके से काम करते हैं, मुझे चाहूँगा थोड़ा आप बताएं उसमें।
राइट, एक एंटरप्रेन्योर वर्ड जो है वो मार्केट में बहुत फेमस है और यू कैन से दैट इट्स अ वेरी बिग वर्ड और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बहुत है उसमें। तो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, तो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज नॉट द डिमांड ऑफ कॉलेज, इट्स नॉट द डिमांड ऑफ मार्केट, इट्स अ डिमांड ऑफ कंट्री। वी वांट अ यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर दैट क्रिएट अ समथिंग न्यू and that give a market something which is different from others. That's why the MIT Business Administration Department is conducting a skills enhancement program assisting with the MUF, Meerut Udyami Foundation.
जी।
In that course, we judge the student on the basis of if they're having a new idea. We nurture their idea with the assistance of Meerut Udyami Foundation. We give them a financial help, we'll give them a technological knowledge that they can nurture their new ideas. So that is the main key point of our college, that key student, if they are coming with new idea, we assist them and make them a young entrepreneur and help the industry to bridge the gap between the academy and industry.
बिल्कुल।
That's the main aspect of entrepreneurship.
बिल्कुल। और लास्ट में मैं चाहूँगा एक छोटा सा मैसेज सभी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो MIT के साथ जुड़ते हैं और यहाँ पे कोई भी कोर्स वो करना चाह रहे हैं और आगे बढ़ना चाह रहे हैं, तो उनको क्या एक मैसेज देना चाहेंगे, किन बातों का खास तौर पे ध्यान रखें अपने फ्यूचर को ब्राइट करने के लिए?
That's my message to all young people, those who are coming after 12th to the graduation towards journey. My main concept is that ki understand your goal first. After that, understand what skills you are required, and after that, understand that will be converted into employability or not. Right? That is the main aspect. As we can see that ki MIT is emerging as a trending choice of the students in Meerut. That is a basic development of Meerut as well as MIT also.
Definitely.
Right? So that's the student after 12th understand their goal, parameters, as well as understand that ki whatever the skills they are gaining, that will be converted into an employability or not. That's the message for the young generation, to understand your goals, achieve skills and get employed.
वाह। तो दोस्तों आज हमने ढेर सारी बातें करी हिमानी मिश्रा जी से, जिन्होंने बताया है कि कौन कौन से करियर ऑप्शन से एक 12th के बच्चे को समझ में आने चाहिए जब वो अपनी 12th कर लेता है, और क्यों उसके लिए MIT बेटर है। ये सारी बातें आज हमने उनसे जानी। फिलहाल आपसे इजाज़त लेते हैं, वादा रहा कि फिर मुलाकात होगी, ढेर सारी बातें होंगी। अलविदा।